Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I am going to share how to make millet porridge powder. For this we need 2 cups of ragi, 1 cup of peanut, 1 cup of green moong dal, 1 cup of proso millet, 1 cup of pearl millet, 1 cup of kodo millet, 1 cup of little millet, 1 cup of wheat, 1 cup of roasted chana dal, 1 cup of white cholam and few cardamom. First, clean all the ingredients. If you buy organic ingredients, no need to wash. Otherwise, you need to wash all the ingredients separately and dry it completely. Dry roast all the ingredients separately because the roasting time will differ for each ingredients. Millets are very little in size, so use heavy bottom kadai and continuously stir the millets. Otherwise, it gets burnt very quickly. Dry roast the millets until you get a nice aroma of the roasted ingredients. Spread the roasted ingredients on a plate to cool down completely. Grind it in a flour mill to a fine powder. Spread it on a plate to cool and then store it in a glass or a stainless steel container. Those who are staying abroad, you can prepare less quantity and grind it in a mixie jar. Try this recipe and give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.